Welcome to the Brickyard. Today we are taking the Monkey Kid jet set and we are rebuilding it into a mech. So one of the cool things about this ship is all of the fantastic colors, the lime green, the bright green, the turquoise, and a lot of very cool pieces included in this set, so we want to showcase those. Here we have the custom mech built out of the pieces for the Monkey Kid jet. What other Lego sets do you think would be cool to see rebuilt as a mech? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and check us out at pitbrickyard.com.